Welcome to the demonstration of Novolytic's single-pump Proteometer-UFT Kit, aka Ultrafast Titer Proteoform Meter Kit. Begin by reconstituting one vial of the Proteometer-UFT reagent by adding dimethylformamide. Gently mix and incubate at room temperature in the dark for at least 30 minutes. Cut open one packet of Proteometer-UFT buffer and add it to 400 milliliters of ultra-pure water. Ensure quantitative transfer by rinsing out the contents of the packet into the beaker. Bring the final volume up to 500 milliliters with ultra-pure water. Stir until dissolved. Filter through a 0.22 micron PES filter into a low actinic media bottle. Add 25 milliliters of acetonitrile and mix by swirling. Quantitatively transfer the contents of the reagent vial to the low actinic media bottle. Rinse out the contents of the vial to ensure quantitative transfer. This is now mobile phase UFT MPF. Mobile phase UFT MPF is also used as sample and standard diluent. 70 milliliters of diluent is sufficient for approximately 330 injections. Scale volume as needed and transfer to a low actinic media bottle for use as sample and standard diluent. Install mobile phase UFT MPF on the HPLC system. Install the MD unit on the HPLC system in line with the fluorescence detector. Prime the line and equilibrate the system to running conditions. You're ready to go! Visit Novolytic.com to learn more about how this solution saves both time and money